Okay, I'm back. Like I said, the maximum that I've seen so far, those are two 135 watt, 7 amp, 7.5 amp panels, and they should be producing about close to 14, minus the lag, and it only produces a maximum about 9.8 amps at 125 watts. Those panels are rated at, like I said, 135 watts and 7.8 amps. So I'm losing either one of the panels is bad, or I'm losing amps or volts through the system somehow. But currently it's charging the batteries, and it's running the refrigerator with that amps, and the refrigerator, it really doesn't go down below 12.5. And then when I don't have any sunlight, it runs it for 8 hours, and it only drains the battery 50%, all the way down to 12 volts. So, and then the sun comes back up, and then it obviously recharges the batteries back up. So, but anyway, just wanted to share my setup. Just a cheap. I think I spent $400 without the batteries, and yeah, it's working out pretty good. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like. We'll see you guys later.